If Clipchamp is throwing an unexpected application error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to editing as fast as possible. We'll start with the simplest solution, then move through the most effective browser and system checks that usually solve this problem. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, open Clipchamp and give the page a fresh refresh. A temporary loading issue is often all it takes for this error to appear, so reloading the app can clear out a small glitch right away. If that does not work, the next step is to log out of your account and then log back in. Sometimes your session gets stuck or becomes inconsistent, and signing in again forces Clipchamp to rebuild that connection cleanly. If the error is still showing, close any extra tabs or apps that you don't need. Running too many browser tabs or heavy applications in the background can use up memory and cause Clipchamp to behave unpredictably. Once you've reduced the load on your device, try reopening Clipchamp and see if the error is gone. Now let's clear the browser cache because corrupted or outdated cached files are one of the most common causes of unexpected application errors. Go into your browser settings, then open privacy and choose clear browsing data. Make sure to clear the cached images and files, and if needed, include cookies as well. After that, restart your browser and open Clipchamp again. This step alone fixes the issue for many users. If Clipchamp still does not load properly, try using Incognito mode. Open your browser menu and choose New Incognito window. This gives you a clean session without the same cached data, extensions, or stored browsing history affecting the app. If Clipchamp works in Incognito, that usually means the problem is related to your browser cache, an extension, or a saved session in the normal window. Next, check your browser settings and enable hardware acceleration. Go to Settings, then System, and turn Use Hardware Acceleration on. After that, relaunch your browser. Hardware acceleration helps the browser use your computer's graphics resources more efficiently, and in many cases, that improves stability and fixes application errors inside web-based editors like Clipchamp. If you followed all of those steps and the error continues, it may help to fully restart your computer as well. A restart clears temporary system issues, resets browser processes, and gives Clipchamp a clean environment when you open it again. Then go back to Clipchamp and test it one more time. At this point, one of these fixes should have solved the unexpected application error. Start with refresh and sign out, then move through clearing cache, using incognito mode, and enabling hardware acceleration until Clipchamp loads normally again. If the video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Clipchamp troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.